Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Brittany if you're new. Today I'll be doing a headband wig review. I never bought a headband wig for $20, but I had seen somebody do a review on this same wig. Right now I just got my real hair in a bun. I'm about to slick it back so I can put the headband wig on, and then I'll be back on the camera so we can open it up and see what it's giving. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and install it. Now, it is cute. This is a good wig to be only $20, y'all. Y'all gotta go get this wig. It's giving all purpose. The $20 wig ain't damn. It's perfect. Y'all cannot tell me this wig ain't pretty. The deets to this wig I will put on the screen. That is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on y'all post notifications so y'all know every time I upload a new video. I'm out. Bye.